Hello, good morning, dear teacher and classmate. Today we'll speak about activities and plans. My name is Doris Orjuela. Okay, continue. The one question. What are your plans for the weekend? 2 or 3 sentences. I have not plans for this weekend due the lockdown. However, maybe I watch a movie with my husband and cook some delicious. But if the COVID did not exist, I will be walking in the beach with my family and also going to the shore. What is your job? Study routine. My study routine consists in spending 5 hours daily studying and doing homework. What sport do you practice? Describe the sport. To be honest, don't practice any sports. However, I used to have long walks to the exercise. Which country would you like to travel to? Why? Okay, this is the final question. I like to travel to Canada. It is a great and beautiful country with awesome landscape, great quality of life, and tons of opportunities. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye.